If your voice sounds breathy and weak, this exercise is for you. One of the most effective ways to reduce breathiness is to work with front vowels like E and E. These vowels naturally encourage better vocal fold closure, helping the vocal cords come together more efficiently and reducing excess air escaping during singing or speaking. People with a breathy voice usually have incomplete closure of the vocal folds while phonating. Practicing with vowels like E and E can help train better closure and gradually improve vocal strength and focus. Now, I'll singing it first. Listen carefully and learn the exercise. Once you've learned the exercise, sing along with the female or male piano track. You can include this exercise in your daily routine with consistent practice. You'll notice that the breathiness in your voice gradually decreases and your tone becomes stronger, more stable, and more controlled over time. Let's begin. Or